All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're coming to you with another early episode. This is because I wanted to get ahead and show you the website, the chainlist.org website. This is where we get our ZK Sync testnet from. Now, I told you we don't have our wallet on our laptop, I only have it on my cell phone, so I can't show you the actual transaction of me bridging over that funds to my actual wallet, but I can show you what the website looks like. As you can see, this is it. You can chain list here. You can see this is the actual website here, chainlist.org. And this is how we would search for the actual token we're looking for. So we would type in ZK Sync, and you can see it doesn't pop up. It's only the main net. So we have to do is include the test nets. So we get to click that button. As you can see, this will be the test net here, ZK Sync Sepolia test net. And we will go ahead and connect our wallet, and then we'll be able to start the bridging process of getting this test net ETH over to the network that we're going to bridge it from. Now, like I said, I can't do the actual process for you because we don't have the wallet here on my laptop. We only have it on the cell phone, so I won't be able to go through the entire process. But I can show you what it looks like. This is the UI, or the user interface, if you don't know what that means. Yeah, so this is what this would look like if you're actually trying to do it yourself. And don't forget, we would have to include the test nets to actually bring up the ZK Sepolia. If we unclicked it, you can see it wouldn't show. It would just be the main net. And if we back out of this, you can see they have a bunch of different other tokens that you will actually be able to choose from. Yeah, so that's just some of the stuff that we went over this morning. Again, we did finish up the transactions module, so we're going to start a new module today. But stay on the lookout for that. But for now, I will keep you posted every step of the way. This is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.